I just wanted to get some nice up-close video of the girls watching the bird feeder that's outside the window now. And they're right up close to see these birds. Gladys is the little gray cat. Stella is the black. Woo. They are what you call a bonded pair. Just past 7 months old now. They do a lot of things together. Always have. And now, ever since we put the bird feeder outside this window, I have them in here an awful lot of the day. And it's nice to have them in here with me and John, yeah. It's nice to have another bonded pair in here, yeah. Look how pretty they are. Can we get a closer shot of them? Couple of beauties. So now that they hurled themselves at the window, the birds are steering clear, and they're definitely at a point somewhere higher up. But they'll be back. Outside the window in that feeder, there's like doves and pigeons and sparrows, and now the blackbirds are coming in for the season. So it's a real show they get to enjoy. And they can do it all day long. They absolutely love it. They make little chirping noises at the birds. And it's not really that. These cats are extremely well fed, so it's not like they're starving and they're like just looking at these birds because they're hungry or anything like that. They're just amazed by them. And they get to see them up close, and I'm sure they would try to kill them, probably, yeah. They're a couple of ruffians, these girls, but they're not going to be outdoor cats, so they're going to have to get used to indoor activity like this. And nothing's going to get their attention away. Stowbell. Quadio. Hi, Stell. How you doing, honey? You watching the birds? We're just sitting here watching the birds go round and round. I really love to watch them fly. It's very nice having videos of these girls as they mature. We had an awesome visit with David Johansen and Shanti Veda this morning. We will be updating our blog pretty soon. We have a lot of work to do on the blog. It's backlogging now with all the interviews that we've been conducting with various guests and John and myself and Shanti Veda. So you can look forward to a lot of written material coming your way. We've been posting 1 or 2 posts per day, and plenty more in queue that just need some fine-tuning and some editing work. You're doing a great job. We're finished for today, by the way. You don't have to go back into the clerical today. I'm glad. I don't feel like editing anything else. All that line spacing and who's saying what, it gets tedious. But even though Shanti does a lot of the work, and YouTube also provides transcripts now, so it's the work is better. It's easier as far as transcription, but it's still It's still labor intensive doing the blog. Getting that finished product to look the way you want it in the blog. All right, you two girls. I love you, Johnny. I love you too, sweetheart. This is a great little film. I love it. Me too. They're really so pretty. Thank you, Stella and Gladys, for making yourselves so beautifully available.